Hi guys, this is Tantan Santiago and we are here at Pag-Asa. Dito po sa may Baler, Aurora and bandang dulo. So actually medyo matarik yung paakyat dito. So kung medyo hindi naman sa pag-discriminate pero kung mababa yung displacement ng sasakyan like mga 1cc or 1000cc down, mukhang mahihirapan kayo makyat. Best is to use yung mga siguro mga SUV type or kaya din siguro ng sedan, mga Vios, pero kayo bahala. Pero again, matarik yung paakyat dito. So if you were able to go to yung tinatawag nilang lighthouse dito sa may Baler, mas mataas to doon. And actually you can drive up, unlike dun sa isa na may paparkan kayo sa baba and then you have to walk going up sa lighthouse. So this is the view guys. So from here makikita nyo yung tinatawag nilang Kasalarin Cove. It's right there. You see? Right there. Actually pwede nyo siyang puntahan doon na may entrance nga lang. It's right there. Ganda dyan. So peaceful. And it's around 4:30 na. So walang tao. So solo namin to. Me and my family. Walang kalaban sa selfie dito. There's my family.
Hi!
My wifey?
Say hi.
Say hi, Dylan. This is my kid. Say hi, baby.
Oh,
Hi.
going there?
Dylan, say hi. Shy type naman yung baby na. And I don't know if you can see right there yung lighthouse. And then again, in-laws ko, walang kalaban sa selfie. Dun yung daan papunta rito. I hope you're enjoying the view. Try to drop by here. Inside dito, promise. And this is the entrance.
Ay, naku, Dylan.
Dylan, careful!
Oh, oh. It's more than what there.
Tanay ko ngayon sa lamig. Hey, stay here.
Another 360 view for you guys. Then, this is from the rooftop ng Pag-Asa office dito sa Baler. This view. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!